Hey everyone, it's Susan Winter here. I'm answering one of my viewers' questions, and yes, I know it looks like I have a halo above my head, but it's actually a skylight. So Sarah wants to know, Dear Susan, I want you to know that your videos have helped me so much lately, and I'm trying to move forward, but there's one question that I have that I've been trying to figure out. She says, how do you go moving forward when someone has given you no contact, no closure, and on top of that, you're dealing with a narcissist? Okay, Sarah, thank you so much for writing me. You are going to have to do the closure yourself. When they give you no contact, you've got to do the closure. That means start with step number 1, which is to figure out, you have to give an answer. What do you think happened? Bad timing. I'm not sure what happened. They fell by the boards. They have problems. They're not ready to commit. They're unwell. They found somebody else. Whatever it is, but it's got to make sense to you, and it's got to be a motivator to let you know that no, they're not coming back. And the fact that they're a narcissist, honestly, that should be ample reason to move on. There is no good scenario out there about dealing with a narcissist. The only great scenarios are, hey, I got rid of my narcissist. So please don't think that this is something that's supremely difficult. It's really not. You make up your mind that you want to feel better, that you're looking to be happy, and that there is absolutely nothing. There's no better version with this type of person. You're not missing something. It's not a question of, oh, if you just had more time. It's not even a question of getting an answer, because the way the narcissist traps you is to always make you feel off your footing. You never know what's going on. They're always leaving you either apologizing to them or feeling that you've done something wrong. So be grateful that you're out. Moving forward is a gift you're going to give to yourself, and just walk away from the bad stuff. That's the best news I've got for you. Thank you so much, Sarah, for writing me. And thanks, everyone. SusanWinter.net. If you want to reach me, go to the, it's the contact page. Underneath my agent, there's a box that says Q&A video requests. Thank you, and I hope this helps everybody move on.